We are making magnetic slime. The ingredients you need are glue, water, borax, iron. Step 1. Add the glue. Okay. Super hard. Okay, am I done? Step 2. Add the water and borax.
Start with 2 tablespoons. So squirt it till it gets to 2. Okay, we'll dump that in.
And add it to the glue. Oh. Too sticky with the glue, I think. Yes. It's turning into like fluffy slime. I think we need more borax. I am going to add 2 more tablespoons of borax. And now I will mix again. So funny. The slime is meant to be sticky, I think.
Look at that.
Yep, it's getting there. I would add 1 more borax.
Yeah. So should I say that?
Sure.
I will add
If you want to, it's up to you.
I
It's your
will add
experiment.
1 more tablespoon of borax so it isn't so sticky. Oops. So
Okay.
Now just use your hands.
now I will mix with my hands again. Okay.
Smash it and get it in there real good.
Yep.
Plop it. Just keep going like that. Smash it.
Yep, it seems like it's about to be done. And then after this I add the iron. Just pick it up, it's so no, he's not gonna pause it yet. Now we have our slime. We are going to add our iron fillings. Now I will mix it with my hands until the slime is gray. Until the slime is gray. Stick a bit. Oh. That scared me.
Looks like you need more.
Yep, it does. Still won't turn gray. Now I will add more.
You're so loud.
Now I will add more because it won't work. nuts.
Excellent.
So like this.
Mm-hmm.
And a lot of it just fell back in.
Yeah, so just spread it out. Spread the slime out and fold it in.
So I'm just gonna like wipe it in the bowl. Yeah, it's turning way grayer than last time. Take this and put it on. It looks like we need more. I'm gonna like make this whole side gray almost. Oh, I see a bubble on the sign. Look, there's a bubble on the sign. Oh, it just popped. It's gonna be super duper gray. Now we are going to see if my slime could pick up magnets. So just wipe. The magnets are sticking to the slime. One just fell off. Now I picked up a baby magnet, which picked up another magnet. Let's see if my slime can pick up all 7 of my magnets. This does not work.
It's perfect for
It worked.